additional ways to increase your productivity? Well, I have 5 reasons that wearing the same outfit can increase your productivity. Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And today I'm going to share with you 5 reasons wearing the same outfit can increase your productivity. Now, when I mention wearing the same outfit, I do not mean this actual same article of clothing. I mean wearing the same color shirt every day and the same pants every day. So for me, my work from home uniform is a burgundy V-neck shirt and some black yoga pants. I purchased this outfit from Hanes because I wanted to experiment and see if working from home or wearing the same work from home uniform could help. And you know what? It did. Personally, I've been working from home for over 10 years. So this whole corona pandemic did not affect my working from home. However, the last few weeks I have been wearing the same work from home uniform and I've noticed an increase. I do have the receipts because if you are new to my channel or if you're not new to my channel, you'd have noticed I have been posting consecutively once a week. If you are following me on Instagram, you will notice that I have been posting every day, including the weekends. And if you're following my blog, you would have seen that I am blogging once a week. I am doing this in addition to my full-time job, in addition to teaching at the community college, in addition to raising multiple kids. I have a large family, and in addition to trying to be a Stepford wife. So it does help. So let's go to the 5 ways it does help. So have you ever heard of decision fatigue? Decision fatigue is when you have so many decisions in your life. Now, I know you're probably thinking you're not a super busy person, your job is regular, you're just a regular person, your decisions aren't, I guess, you're not a president or anything like that, you're not doing those type of decisions. Well, it doesn't really matter. Even something small, as in wearing the same outfit or trying to decide what you're going to wear, does in fact affect your decision making for other things. So if you can just eliminate one thing from out of your hectic life, that will increase your productivity in other ways. Have you ever noticed that people like Mark Zuckerberg or Bill Gates, Michael Kors, even Albert Einstein's, or even Barack Obama, they had a uniform that they wore all of the time. And you're thinking, well, you know, these rich and successful men are doing this. They're not caring about what anyone thinks because they have money. They're not trying to impress anyone. Well, you're right. They do have money. They're not trying to impress anyone. But they've eliminated trying to decide what they're going to wear, and they're just getting to work. So by wearing the same uniform, you can focus more on working. You can focus more on making money. You can focus more on decisions that will affect your family and your livelihood. Also, number 2, a good reason to wear the same outfit is you're establishing your look, your signature look. So everyone knows Zuckerberg, he's the founder of Facebook. He had his gray shirt and his jeans and his tennis shoes. That was his signature look. Bill Gates had his black turtleneck and his pants and his shoes. That was his signature look. Even Albert Einstein had a signature look. So for me, you know, I'm a little less high maintenance. I'm kind of low key. So my signature look is a wine or burgundy color shirt, which you all know is my signature color, and some black yoga pants. I opted out of jeans like everyone else. I wanted something comfortable because I'm busy. I'm, you know, in the mornings after I get dressed, I'm having to, you know, fight with kids, wake kids up and take them to daycare. And, you know, I'm working at home. And if I get a minute here, I'll walk on a treadmill. So I wanted something that was really comfortable for me and still stylish and look nice. So when someone comes to deliver a package, I'm not, you know, trying to cover myself up or if someone's coming to do some work around the house, I'm not just in pajamas. So, this is my signature look. I love it. It is, so far it's been working for me. Another reason wearing the same outfit can help you is that it saves money. So I know you're probably thinking, you still have to buy, your 7 shirts or your 7 pants or your 5 shirts or your 5 pants or however it is. But once you have it, you have it. And it fits right and you just will wear it. So you're not worried about having to buy a new belt to match it, having to buy, buttons or take it to the cleaners, get fixed because you ripped the pants legs or whatever. So think about this way. In budgeting, they tell you to allocate about $125 a month per person for your home or for yourself. So you think about that, $125 a month times 12 months. That is actually a mortgage payment. And if you put that money into the principal of your mortgage, or if you made that extra 1 mortgage payment a year, that will take years off of your mortgage. So not only are you saving time and energy, you're actually paying your house off faster, or your car or student loans or whatever you want to do. So use that money to excuse me. Use that money to increase your value in other things. Also, when you have the same outfit, you're going to have the perfect fit. So when I purchased my outfit, I just kind of guessed on the size. I really came in lucky. I said a large shirt, medium bottoms, bam. I ordered 5 and 5. Now I only work 4 days from home because I work long days. I work 4/10s. So I purchased 5 outfits, 5 bottoms, 5 tops. And when I put them on the first day, I was like, oh my God, it fit perfectly. I just went to the Hanes website, www.hanes.com, and I will leave a link for it below. I probably will write a blog post about it and go into a lot more detail. But anyway, the shirt fits wonderfully. And the leggings or the yoga pants, they are perfect. Now, I didn't get the ones with the tight bottoms because I just wanted it to be kind of loose and relaxed. I'm loving this outfit. I'm thinking about actually buying some more for the weekend. I mean, it's working great for me. Number 5 is you're saving time and energy. When you're having to decide different things, that's actually taking energy away from other things, other more important things. So when you're wearing the same outfit, it's great. You're not overwhelmed. Even if you do get your clothes together the night before, you still have to decide the night before what you're going to wear. You still have to make sure that outfit still fits, that the buttons still button, the tie still tie, or whatever. But if you are wearing the same outfit or the same, shirts in the bottoms, because they are all the same size, large or medium or whatever your size is. So it definitely does help. So overall, I hope this video does help you. I hope this is something that you can try. You can even experiment, because that's what I did. My pants were, I think, $11 from the Hanes website. The shirts were around $6. I'm thinking, that's under $20 for an outfit that I'm gonna wear. It's easy. I can just give it a try. And if you order 5 of them, that's less than $100 for your work from home wardrobe. And then you can even spice it up. You can say, okay, 1 month I'm going to wear a burgundy shirt. The next month I'm going to wear a green shirt. And you can do that if you don't want to wear the exact same color every day. But for me, I'm enjoying my outfit. If this is something that you want or that you're interested in, please leave a comment below and let me know that you're going to embark on this journey. If this is something you're going to try, if this is something that you're already doing, leave me a comment below and let me know that you've actually tried this and it is working. And if it didn't work for you, I want to know. I want to know, basically, I just want to get the feelings from all the followers and see if this is something that does work for you. Well, I forgot to mention this before, but please give this video a thumbs up if you did like this information. And then also subscribe to this channel, because I share tons of information about organization, home decor, and planning and productivity strategies. Thank you very much, and have a divine day.